I'm going to throw a couple of pictures of the before up of my muffler off of my Honda Ruckus, aka Lola. The before pictures will show you that this thing was definitely not designed for Michigan winters. So, had to just pull it off. Turns out I'd actually lost one of the bolts holding, or one of the nuts holding the muffler against the engine, which is why, unbeknownst to you, the scooter had sounded a little rough last couple of weeks. Not bad, just a little off. Yes, I lost one of those, so I got a few of those. I got some nice stainless to replace those. And as I was taking that off, I'm like, yeah, it needs a little work. There's some rust spots starting to show through. So pulled it off, cleaned it up, scrubbed it down, sanded some of the spots back to bare metal, and then a couple of coats of high heat paint. Should do the trick. All right, that's it for today. Just a quick late spring project. The weather's nice, wind's blowing a little bit, but not much. Temperature's perfect for spray painting outdoors. Also, working on carbs for the engine. Wife and I did some yard work yesterday. That was not fun. This is fun. Not fun. Fun. Okay, we got that? We clear? Yeah, I still can't get a couple of the jets out. So I'm still working on it, but cleaning a little as I go. We'll have that back up and running no time flat. Or a year or two. We'll see how that works.